Today I'm going to show you how to ask for revision, or better said, for a second plan, a second 3D simulation for your current case. So first of all, you're going to click on 3D plus I, and in this window where you can see the 3D simulation and treatment plan, there's a purple button here which is called Ask for Revision. You're gonna click on that and a new window will appear. Here you can always add the changes you want to make in the current treatment plan. So for example, I want to plan both arches now. Then I'm gonna add please plan both arches, and I'm gonna save it, and afterwards it will be directly sent to the doctors and to the planners, and they will plan again.